In this video, I am going to show you how to connect HubSpot to N8N. First things first, head over to N8N's website, which is n8n.io. Once you're in there, just click on the This Get Started for free. You also need to sign up to HubSpot by just going to hubspot.com. Input right here your details for your N8N account. I'll just input right here my details. You can also input right here company email. Confirm that email address, add a password, and account name for your actual cloud access. From in there, you can actually add right here or start a 14-day free trial. So just click on this right here in order to register and start your own end-to-end experience. So in here, you just need to answer these questions to get the most out of your N8N trial. So you can also skip this part if you would want to. Once you have successfully inputted your details, your workspace will now start up and you should be able to use N8N. So once you're on your N8N cloud, let's click on the Start Automating option in order to go over to your dashboard. So this is where you will find all your integrations. So one of those is the HubSpot themselves. Now head over to n8n.io/integrations and then just click onto this search bar right here and search in here for HubSpot. You can see that you can add HubSpot node docs, HubSpot credentials, and also other HubSpot contacts that you can see right here. So for example, let's choose in here this HubSpot node docs plus examples. You can click on that and you can see in here the actual HubSpot node that you can actually integrate. So in here, you can see all of the benefits of this particular integration. So once you have actually saw this, you can click onto this HubSpot credentials for setting up authentication. Then make sure that you actually have this enabled for your actual N8N account. So that's how you connect HubSpot to N8N. Hope we helped.